So in while loop we have two types of while loops. One is while loop and another one is do while loop. So in while loop the condition is executed at the beginning, and in do while loop the condition is checked while exiting the loop. While loop is another type of loop that checks for a specified condition to execute the block of statements. So until the value is satisfied, the block keeps on executing. So while loop is written in this way. Here we can have the expression, the condition to evaluate, and in this block we can have statements, code statements that we want to execute in this loop. So let's start with example. Let x equals to 1, and in this condition let us evaluate x is less than 3, and here we will console log this step is executed this many times. So here what will happen, we have initialized our variable x with 1, and this loop will keep on executing until the value is less than 3, and here we need to do x plus plus, and let's try to run this now. So node while loop, so executed one time and executed 2 times. Let's try to modify this a bit, and we need a space. Let's run this one more time. So executed 1 time, executed 2 times. So this is how while loop works. Now let's check do while. Similar piece of code we can write in a do while statement. So do while loop is also similar to while loop, but condition is evaluated at the later stage. So the syntax of do while is something like that. In do you have a block statement. We will have this block only, and plus plus, and here we will have the condition which we want to evaluate. So x is less than 3. Let's try to run this. Let's comment this. Otherwise, yeah, it now the value of the x is 3. So try to comment this. Control KC. And now let's run this. So executed 1 time and executed 2 times. You don't see any difference in while and do while, but now you will see the difference as soon as you initialize this x with 3. Okay. So now what should happen if x is 3 and we are executing while loop? Okay, let me comment this for time being. And now x is 3 and we are executing while loop, so this will not print anything, this will not log anything, right? Because this condition is not met. But if we do the similar thing in do while loop, let me comment this loop. So this will be executed 1 time. Why? Because in the do statement we have a console log, and after that the condition. So this is the difference between both these. In do while loop, at least 1 time the block will be, the statements will be executed, and then before checking the condition. That's all about the while loop.